Sneakers, flats, stilettos, or mules, cool kicks are an important part of every outfit, but you gotta make sure they stand out. Why not bling up your feet with some bejeweled shoes? Let's get started. You'll need a pair of plain shoes, last leg jewelry like brooches and earrings, gem adhesive, I like gem tack, and jewelry pliers. First, make sure the top of your shoe is clean and dry. Next, pick your favorite gem jewelry, breaking off any backings and clasps. Use the jewelry pliers and toss out any extra metal pieces. Place the jewels on the toe of the shoe to create a design you like. Use the statement piece in the middle of the toe box and build around that. If you have a pair of earrings, you can put one on each shoe for symmetry. Keep gluing until all the gems are secure, and be sure to let the glue cure for 24 hours. And don't worry, it'll dry clear. And there you have it, from plain Jane to jeweled gems. It's gotta be the shoes, a simple DIY design hack to refashion your footwear. Now that's a step in the right direction.